നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന ടൂൾസിന്റെ പേരാണ് Copy.ai. ഇത് ബേസിക്കലി നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുന്ന AI ബേസ്ഡ് കണ്ടന്റ് ജനറേഷൻ ടൂൾ ആണ്. സോ യെസ്റ്റർഡേ ഓൾസോ നമ്മളൊരു AI ബേസ്ഡ് ടൂളിനെ പറ്റിയായിരുന്നു സംസാരിച്ചത്. ഇന്നും നമ്മൾ ഒരു AI ബേസ്ഡ് ടൂളിനെ പറ്റിയായിരിക്കും കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ഫാസ്റ്റർ ആൻഡ് ഫ്രഷർ ബെറ്റർ കോപ്പി. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഇത് ആക്ച്വലി ബേസിക്കലി AI ഫോക്കസ്ഡ് ആണ് ഇത് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിന്റെ സെക്ഷൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ ഇത് നോക്കുന്നത്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. നമുക്കിത് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങാം. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് I have already logged into my account. So ഞാൻ already logged in ആണ്. So now when you logged in, you will see something like this. Welcome to our new UI. Select a tool to get started. Create copy in Playground. Save copy and like to present in UI. So Playground view saved languages. എന്തെന്ത് languages നമുക്ക് present ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. So you can see all the languages which you can do. Output language, input language, output language. Whatever the input language you can give, whatever the output language you can get. Okay. സോ അത് ഫസ്റ്റ് സെക്ഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു. നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ടൂൾസ് നോക്കാം. സെലക്ട് ടൂൾസ്. മോസ്റ്റ് പോപ്പുലർ ടൂൾസ് ആണ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ, ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം ക്യാപ്ഷൻ, ബ്ലോഗ് ഐഡിയ, ബുള്ളറ്റ് പോയിന്റ്സ് ടു പാരഗ്രാഫ് ആൻഡ് ബുള്ളറ്റ് പോയിന്റ്സ് ടു ബ്ലോഗ്. സോ ഈ ഇത്ര സെക്ഷൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ട് ആളുകൾ മാക്സിമം യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ബട്ട് അത് കൂടാതെ ഇവർക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സെക്ഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ വൺ ബൈ വൺ നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് നോക്കാം സെക്ഷൻസ് ഏതാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ആണ്. പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ അത് ലൈക്ക് നമ്മൾ ഇ കോമേഴ്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ഓപ്ഷൻ നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. സോ വെൻ ഐ ക്ലിക്ക് ഓൺ ദ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ, നമുക്ക് ഒരു കൊടുക്കേണ്ട ബ്രാൻഡ് നെയിം എന്താണ്. സോ ജസ്റ്റ് ഗിവ് ദ ബ്രാൻഡ് നെയിം എന്താണ് ആൻഡ് ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ് യുവർ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്. എന്താണ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്. സോ ഡിജിറ്റൽ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് കോഴ്സ്. സോ ഡിജിറ്റൽ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് കോഴ്സ് ആണിത്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ക്രിയേറ്റ്. സോ നമ്മൾ ആ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ആണ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ വാട്ട് this will do that, this is basically artificial intelligence focused content writing ആണ്, and they will go and they will write content for you based on this. Like you can see that webinaris.com is the leading institute of digital marketing course and trick in Chennai. So you can just change Chennai to your location. Offer digital marketing training for individual and organization. Webinar started in 2013. You can put your correct. Mine is 2009. With motive of trained student in digital marketing, different platform like SEO, PPC, provide exclusives. You can see that it's a awesome content and it got in like within the seconds. Okay, so another point. So like you can see that there are various options there. Hurry up, click here, take Vipin's digital marketing course right now, discounted price. You can see that the course is started off by introducing student digital marketing. So you can see that you can use like you like something, this particular content, you if you like, you can just copy it, you can save it with or you can make more kind of this. So when you click more kind of this, so as we're going to add on the similar kind of content, അതേപോലത്തെ content ഇനിയും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പോകുന്നത്. So that is the like ആ particular features ആണ് ഇതിനകത്ത് useful way. So adding below, so you can come here and you can see that webinar become one of the leading institute for digital marketing course and tricks in Chennai. Vipin is the leading institute to train student people in the ETC. We offer one-to-one training on digital marketing, one of the kind of digital marketing training and certification institute that can be given student exclusive insights. If something I like, I can just go and more, create more, make more. So or copy all results, I can copy that. That's the first section, that is the product description. Now social ads. So now you can see that social media ads you can create. Facebook primary text, Facebook listicle. So let's see one example. Facebook primary text. So we need to give the brand name, we need to describe the products. Now let's click on the create. So primary text to create here on Facebook. This tool actually give you exactly what you want actually. So a particular sections and a particular word limit use. So now you can read this webinar marketing academy mission to provide education content to exclusive fast moving digital marketing environment. Webinar offer members only access to digital marketing course and an impressive market selections of exclusive digital marketing course and mobile games. So now you can just customize based on your online marketing course, learn digital marketing, learn the foundation of online marketing from scratch. So you can create your own digital marketing strategy for starting growing business online. So you can see that text use listicles, Facebook listicle, Facebook headlines, Facebook description, Google headline, Google description, ad section nathana, social ad Google, Instagram product showcase, Instagram caption, hashtag, LinkedIn text, ads, general ad copy and ad copy variants. So that's the section for social. And then comes startup tool, value proposition, motto generation, brand mission, brand wise, audience refiner. So let's create a brand wise. So what is brand wise? So based on the brand wise, the type of content ആണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. So let's create brand wise. So you see that customer focused, family centered, honest, the type of content ആണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. Fun, casual, innovative, professional, modern, customer friendly, and bit hold. So make more. So ആ brand wise നാഥ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ content create ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്. So that is the setup tool. Then website copy. So landing page, hero text, subheading, blog ideas, blog intro, blog line. So let's go for the blog ideas. So നമുക്ക് product brand name and digital marketing product course ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. So let's create. Our AI is loading up. So now you can see that blog ideas are done. Blog digital marketing course for beginners. A blog around digital marketing beginners with actionable advice on how to apply. Top 10 digital marketing blogs to follow in 2018. A list of marketing blogs to follow along with the blog idea. 50 plus places to use your digital marketing skill. A blog article about website you can use your newly acquired digital marketing skill. The 10 unwritten rules of marketing. A blog around digital marketing and how you can succeed with latest marketing tool. So you can see that top 4 plus SEO tips that will skyrocket your blog traffic. Online marketing, small businesses. So in the first step, so I will ask them to create more on first segment. So let's create. See the Taratana create icon. So you can see that a site newbie learned about digital marketing written by a web marketing consultant. This blog is everyone who wants to learn to apply. This is blog for beginner looking to get bored. Digital marketing will come the best online marketing course. Do you want to learn digital marketing tips and strategies? So that is the you can see that blog ideas number generated. Now intro, outline, bullet points to paragraph and bullet points to blog. So let's bullet points to paragraph number add. So that's digital marketing course. Bullet points are so bullet points. So we need to give bullet points over there. So bullet points bullet points paragraph to convert it. So that's the objective of this particular action. So let's wait for 30 seconds. So now you can see that bullet points to paragraph on the digital marketing course on the best source to a digital marketing. In the 3-month period, you will require a breadth of the knowledge that would utilize take year of require the method of discussion of to work anyone at any age for marketing beginners. The experience as your professional. This course was created with the sole purpose of helping become better. So you can see that good content they have written. So now you can create a blog based on that. So listicles, you can create a listicle articles also. So just you need to select listicles and you need to just create. So you need to understand that there are so many options. You can go with this particular tool. So now you can see that you can learn digital marketing course easy way. So how to choose digital marketing course, how to keep up the fast changing word digital marketing, what sort of people benefit from this course, why is this course better than most other digital marketing. So you see the listicle, so you can try whatever the listicle you want. So the listicle use editor pinne അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പിനകത്ത് പാരഗ്രാഫ് സോ അല്ല പിന്നെ പോയിന്റ്സ് ടു ബ്ലോഗോ അങ്ങനെ എടുത്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിനെ കണ്ടന്റ് എഴുതിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. So let's I like this one. So let's when you click on the add more button, you'll see that more keyword related to that get added here below. A quick guide to what to look out when you are looking for digital marketing course. This guide gives, so you can see that all the detail is presenting. Also question generator, so you can just have a questions, the digital marketing related questions നമുക്ക് generate ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So questions നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന സെക്ഷൻസ് ആണ്. particular tool will help you to generate questions and use them. So how did you get involved with digital marketing? What do you believe is the best marketing strategy for your company? What do you plan on doing? What is your business degree? What is the best way to decide when a business idea is ready to launch? What is one thing that you should identify your business starting business again? Which technology company? So you see that nothing I feel related. How did you get involved with digital marketing? You can just make more. So you just ask them to create more and more. Like എന്ന് റിലവൻറ്റ് കിട്ടിയാൽ അതിനെ ഇലോബറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറയാം. റിലവൻറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ പർട്ടിക്കുലർ സെക്ഷനകത്ത് തന്നെ ഇനിയും കൂടെ കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ വേണ്ടി പറയാം. സോ യു ക്യാൻ സീ വാട്ട് ഇസ് സം ടിപ്സ് ഹാവ് ടു someone who wants to be an entrepreneur. So that's the thing. Like blog related website writing ആണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത്. You can look for the testimonial, rewrite, even copy, even നമുക്ക് meta title, meta description you can write, and with the section email newsletter, catchy email, subject line, welcome to email, follow-up mail, confirmation email, thank you note, cancellation email, social media content creation at the video title, create a launch your product, short text hook, carousel post, captions, video intro, relatable experience, page stop topic, product showcase, bullet points, video call to action, YouTube description intro, video, keyword generator, emoji to list. So add emoji to list. Let's see that how this particular going to work. When you create add emoji to list. So digital marketing course, more. So I think they working on this. How digital marketing course will help you succeed to the community first. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ emojis item, so it's not updating here emojis. Anyways, social media now use emojis very few. Sales copy, you can see that IDA copywriting, before after praise, feature advantage, problem promise, proof, twist writing, features and benefits, mapping agencies. So let's problem promise, proof, proposal, so let's give our brand name. Optional ആണ്, but let's give. Wait for 30 seconds. So problem, ever made any confused what he should learn about digital marketing? Promise, and then with this digital marketing course you will have all the lesson you need to master digital marketing. Proof, and then the Vipin marketing course is specially developed in a way that not only help you to get started but also take your business to the next level. Problem, one set of problem and the solution. Problem, promise and proof, mono sections കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. So second option അതേപോലെ തന്നെ. So now you can just move to sales copy. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ റൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Then you are seeing that writing tools, change tone, sentence rewrite, simplify sentence. So easy outline, easy intro, bullet points to paragraphs, bullet points to essay, verb booster, adjective escalator, analogy generator, rewrite with keywords, press release, 2-sentence stories, hero story intro, hero story villain. All those sections are there. Then brainstorming tool, viral ideas, growth idea, next product, name generator, startup ideas. So let's viral ideas. Now let's see that. What are the viral ideas there? Let's wait for 30 seconds. Post. Free marketing course is ghostwriting format, complete with custom-made graphic design look. Consider premium membership in order to provide more. Offer a free webinar to help B2B business attract customers. So these are the ideas what they are giving me, viral ideas. Running a campaign Facebook with an offer available only for 12 hours. This silly video on website which is gaining massive popularity on YouTube. Now you can see that personal tools are there, resume, bullet points, cover letters, shower thoughts, clubhouse bio. So all those sections will be available here. So let's go and check out resume bullet points, create. So we'll create once more. So you can see that bullet points on assign with organization daily meeting. So whatever the you are doing, so basically our sections are able to content. You can see that all the segments. So even your Mother's Day, birthday, love letters, clubhouse bio, all things you can write here one particular section. So create a new project with view my project and see reset results. So നമുക്ക് പുതിയ project create ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ project നകത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഈ particular content create ചെയ്യാം, as we did in last videos also. So it's just very similar. Create a new project. So എന്താ പേര് കൊടുക്കുക, website name എന്താണ്, ഏത് ടോണിലാണ് നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതാൻ പോകുന്നത്, you can just write and you can just save. So let's write website name, and that's optional. You can just want, you can just give or don't. So what I want, friendly, then professional and so friendly I want, let's save it. So in this particular project, so this is the project. So in project nata we need to create content. So this is the project, create a new project. So this is the create the project. Now you can, if you have any save, you can just description. If you want to change all those sections, you can do here itself. And let's go back to playground. Let's open the tools. So if a project nathana nammal create another, so you can just write a, so I want blog idea, or let's bullet points to blog, or let's see that what else I can write on website. So let's blog outlines. So what is your blog title, and what about, what is the blog about? So blog title and career in digital marketing. What is the blog about is digital marketing course. So let's create. So that is going to be in our project. We are going to create that here. So it's very easy, especially നമുക്ക് കണ്ടന്റിന്റെ ഒരുപാട് റിക്വയർമെന്റ് വരും when it comes to SEO. So it's very easy for you to go and use this content and publish on website ആവാം, web 2 content ആവാം, other places like social profile creations, all those places you can use this as your tool. So this is about this particular tool. So let's go to price and let's see that what is the price of this particular tool, and if you are interested you can go and purchase it. So you can do trial for 7 days, free access on 100 runs per day, but solo $35 per month. So limited time, 2 free seats, unlimited runs, all those sections is there, and that's the way how you can go and create daily content with Copy.ai. So this is also one of the top list in my tools which I use regularly, and if you like you can go and buy it. That's it, and I will share the links to go and purchase in description. If you're interested, you can buy that link. That's a free link. We'll make some commission with that. That's fine if you go buy directly. So that's it in this video. More content like this is like more into like practical tools which we use, very less people cover, so we are trying to cover all these tools. And if you like video, please make sure like and share with your friends so that more and more people can watch this video and learn more things. So that's it for today, and see you guys in tomorrow next video. Till then, bye.